China's got a new plan for fixing things in its violent western region, Xinjiang. After hundreds have died in uprisings, the Communist Party chief there says ethnic Chinese and the Uyghur Muslim minority just need to get along better. The problem is he didn't give any indication of how that could work. And as senior correspondent Ben Blanchard reports, Beijing's definition of be better friends could easily be interpreted as be more like us.
The Chinese government has really taken a carrot and stick approach towards dealing with the problems that it's faced in Xinjiang. Now, the problem has been that efforts have tended to focus on getting the Uyghurs, for example, to speak more Mandarin rather than getting the Han Chinese to speak any Uyghur or to understand anything about Islam. Foreign experts and our diplomats who study Xinjiang, have visited Xinjiang, say that these efforts are viewed as quite cack-handed. They don't have much understanding or appreciation of Islam, of the fact that the Uyghur people who live in Xinjiang are very attached to their culture. And they seem to feel that any efforts that the government makes to sort of bring them into what the Chinese government views as mainstream society actually only end up alienating the Uyghurs even more.
Many Uyghurs have lately started following the lead of countries like Saudi Arabia, with full-faced veils for women and long beards for men. China calls it growing extremism, but rights groups say it's just a reaction to Beijing's heavy-handed approach to making peace.